All right, we done got a new one in. We have our first step through. That is a 750 watt. That is called a Vituvia. 750 watts. You will not believe it. I bought this used offline. It's got 1,050 miles on it. I got it for $300. Just picked it up today. So when you get ready to go looking for one of these, find what you like and just go on like your local Facebook marketplace. People are getting rid of these things because they're too fast for them. If you've ever looked this one up, this is a very fast bike. It's very torquey. And I was looking for one, hoping I'd run across one, and finally ran across one. Now, the one I bought last week was this little beauty. This is called a Suhu. It's a 48 volt 48 volt 10. No, that's a 12 amp hour battery on that one. And I think this one is a 48 volt. But we got 12. Yeah, both of them. Oh, I bet you I can interchange both of these. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about right there. See, you look up sometime. But before you go out and spend thousands and thousands of dollars, go online and find somebody that's selling one that was just too much for them. I bought this one. It was, you believe it or not, $250. That's a $1,200 bike. If you're crazy enough to go buy it brand new. But I'm a country boy. We believe in, there's life left in everything, or we'll fix it and ride it ourselves. And that mentality has gotten me, let's see what I have now. 6 bikes. I got 6 e-bikes now. I need to slow down. I'll get rehab or something. This is fun. I'm loving these things. But yeah, we got to get a tire for this one, and that's it. She told me that, not really a tire, a tube, really. But that tire is kind of worn, so I'm going to go ahead and pull it and put a tube in it. But I'm going to order a tire here soon because it's going to need one. That's my first 20-inch bike. And it's a foldable bike. So now I can put 2 on the back on the hauler and fold one up, put it inside, put one of the little ones inside, and bring some friends with us. All right. Y'all do this the smart way. Don't go out here and spend a bunch of money on these things. It's a company, I don't want to call their name, but it starts with a P. And it's got to do with how you make a bike move. And they put go in their name. But they are straight robbing the people. And when I say straight robbing the people, I was going to try to buy a bike from them. Their bikes are in the $3,000 range. Not only is that way too high for one of these things for what you're getting, they're selling a class 2 bike for $3,000. And not only that, it's a 36 volt system, which if you know, I got 2 36 volt system bikes out there, and they all right. They run good, but they don't pull like these 48 or the 52. These things do it. So if you're about to spend $3,000, look for that same bike and see if you can find it comparatively way cheaper. And if you can, know that you're being robbed. You're just being straight scammed. Because that guy is making about $2,000 extra. He's making more than that because a steel frame class 2 bike. I have one. I'm gonna take you over here. Take you under my junk pile shed. Never mind all this stuff. Watch out, ducks. Watch out. Right there. Here's a class. This one. That like bike. That's a steel frame. That's a class 2 bike. It has the throttle on it and everything. Same thing they're selling for $3,200. You can get that bike right there for $400. $400 shipped to you off Amazon. So please do not overpay for one of these. Find out the kind of bike you like and find another company that has it for cheaper. All these bikes come from China. All these components come from China. Look it up. I'm not making that up. People telling you, oh no, it's got tier 1 component. Only thing that's different on these is in that battery. You got the cheap knockoff batteries, and then you have Samsung cells and LG cells. Make sure whatever you buy has one of those 2. If it does not have Samsung or LG cells in the battery, get something else. You don't want the little cheap knockoff batteries. Those are the ones that are catching on fire. I hope this helps you out a little bit. As y'all see, I got to get this one fixed in. We'll do a little, you know, quick review on it. She running and everything. I tested it out, made sure it was good to go. So all I got to do is get the tube in there, and we're going to take it out and play with it a little bit. Y'all have a good one. Be easy.